गोवा कस्टम्सान दाबोळी विमानतळार बेकायदेशीर फॉरेन करन्सी धरल्या। ते सावदी रियाद घेवन वताले। भारतीय करन्सींत खंय ताचें मोल 11,40,000। दोग पॅसेंजर एअर इंडियाच्या फ्लायटीन दुबय वताले। इंटेलिजन्स इनपुटा वेल्यान तांकां धरले। दोगूय केरळाचे। दोगूय सध्या पोलिसांच्या ताब्यांत आसात। पयशे खंय व्हरताले ताची खंय चौकशी चल्ल्या।
Basis of information received, the officers of the Air Intelligence Unit Customs Department in Goa rummaged a flight yesterday evening. This flight was an Air India flight originating from Bangalore going to via Goa to Dubai. We had information that two passengers were carrying some foreign currency, and so we intercepted them on the flight. We asked them, and on basis of that information, we offloaded them. On verification of their luggage, it was found that they were carrying foreign currency, Saudi riyals, approximately value of Indian currency around 11.40 lakhs. So on basis of that, we have taken them into custody and further investigations are in process. But this was developed by our officers mainly because this was not a flight originating from Goa. So the information was totally developed by the officers of the Goa Customs out here.
प्रचंड पोलीस फोर्स घालून निमाणे दाबोळे एअरपोर्टात नवो कार रेंटल काउंटर मॅक्सी कॅब सोमारच्यान चालू जालो। टुरिस्ट टॅक्सीवाल्यांक नवो काउंटर कोंत्र गेला। कार रेंटल मेरेन बरें आसा। टॅक्सी सर्व्हिस सुरू केल्यार वगी रावचे ना म्हूण टॅक्सीवाल्यांची शिटकावणी। कोर्टांत वचपाची तांची तयारी। अतिरिक्त जिल्लोधिकारी RTO एअरपोर्टार आशिल्ले। मंगळारा परत ह्या विशयाचेर सरकार आनी टॅक्सीवाल्यां मदीं चर्चा जावपाची आसा।
So how did you set 7 people? How did you allow them to take smaller vehicles?
जो पुलीस फोर्स पळयलो तो पुलीस फोर्स पळोवन आयज खरें सांगता म्हाका इतलो आमकां मनान भिरांत दिसलो अशें इतलें दिसता की आमी टेररिस्ट काय म्हणून। अरे आमी सिन्स 1985च्यान आमी हांगा एअरपोर्टार सर्वीस दिता। सिंगल एक आमचेर कंप्लेंट ना, खंयचें एजिटेशन ना, कसलो आमी हांगा बोर्ड केन्ना करूंक ना। फाटली 35 वर्सां आमी एअरपोर्टार हांगा सर्वीस दिता। आयज कित्या खातीर काय म्हणून एक दिल्लीचो कोण काउंटर येयला त्याच्या खातीर इतली सरकारी यंत्रणा तुमी हाडून दवरची।
Many scenarios are there. So our scenario is now that we are walking one step further till tomorrow, where additional collector is calling the meetings, and at that meeting he said we can work out a change. So that is welcome to us. So we would like to go everything peacefully, although the deputy collector and the administrator wants to do it by force, enforcing.
Now
Stop their illegalities.
so that will continue.
Yes, we have to stop that illegality by whatever method we have at our disposal. Democratic method and legal method.
To do point-to-point service as questioned by
There
the...
is not a question of point to point. No question of point to point.
Means
What if point to point is what?
point-to-point
They
means
are
the way
making
a
the
taxi...
contract carrier. They are booking the ticket for the contract for the journey. What they are doing it for the what in journey they want to go for the destination.
It will be hire car or self-driven?
What the hire car? This is the hire. It's taxi.
Taxi. They are doing actually a taxi business.
And SGM was very clear. He said in case there is you find anything wrong with it, you can go to the court, you can go and appeal. There are other recourses. We should not resort to this kind of tactic and get personnel.
Give a break.